See, let us consider third point, analyze how BCS code of conduct can be applied to the case above. Okay, see, just cross check what BCS code of conduct explains. Okay, let me open BCS code of conduct. This is consequentialism. Let me open BCS code of conduct. So if you take BCS code of conduct, the first point speaks about public interest. Okay, so in public interest, like you should start explaining what is public interest. Okay, so according to public interest, it is very important to have due regard for public health, privacy, security, and well-being of others, and have due regard for the legitimate rights of the third parties. Okay, see, if a person who applied, who paid insurance with to XYZ organization, they have all rights to claim whenever they are eligible for the claim, right? So this legal right, and promote equal access to the benefits of IT, and seek promote inclusion of all sectors in society, wherever opportunities arise. Conduct your professional activities without discrimination on the grounds of sex, sexual orientation, marital status, nationality. So here, see, I told you, right, in the last second point, I explained you like that. I explained you that. So some people will have bad voice by default. Maybe the AI-based system that assesses that voice might identify it as a fraud, like maybe lying voice. Okay, a person who is lying to the organization because of the bad characteristics of the voice. Okay, so maybe some kind of situation, some personal situations, or some kind of psychological situations, maybe because of the physical illness, maybe the voice of the person might vary. Okay, so in such situations, it is highly difficult for any system that has the ability to predict whether a person is lying or not. So in that instant, we say that, so it is not providing legitimate rights that is having with the customer, and it is also considered as a discrimination of the person by considering his voice as a factor to decide whether the claim can be processed or not. Okay, these two factors clearly explains that the organization that is using artificial intelligence to predict about the claims is not ethically viable. Okay, so you speak these things, you explain what is public interest with respect to BCS code of conduct, then you speak about what is the current situation organization, if as the organization is using artificial intelligence based system to predict make decision about claims, so how it is not ethically okay with respect to BCS code of conduct should be explained. Okay, these two things should be discussed, and ahead of all, the IT that is created and used by the organization should create benefit to the society. Society means should provide benefit to each and every individual that is part of the society. It should not cause any harm to the person in the society. Okay, so these points, by using these points, we can clearly say that the practice that is followed by the organization is not okay. Okay, there is a need for inclusion of various other facts to decide whether claim can be processed or not. Okay, that's it from my side. This also includes 3 different paragraphs. First paragraph speaking about a public interest factor of BCS code of conduct. Second factor discussing about given business case with respect to the BCS code of conduct, where it is going wrong. And the third point that you conclude about the topic on BCS code of conduct. That's it from my side. So if you already done with this part, like just make some changes to the topic and send it to me. That's it. Thank you.